I'm Ben Partridge. I'm from Llanidloes. I'm studying fine art and art history. Once you come here and you see the department and you speak to the tutors, and I know everyone's going to mention the town and the seafront, but it does just leave such a lasting impression and you can't get it out of your head. For me, I like the balance of art practice and art history. They take art history very seriously here. I'm specialising in printmaking, photography and filmmaking. I'm interested in found footage and analogue film, the history of photography, the relationship between film and photography and how they kind of interrelate. My study scheme is fine art with art history, so I'm joint honours. That means that I'm part-time over 2 years as well. So in my first year I will be working towards a portfolio assessment and an exhibition, and then I will go on and do a dissertation, which is an extended piece of writing on an element of art history or art theory. What has really engaged me here is the fact that we not only are an art school, but we've got a museum and a gallery on site, and that has given me access throughout my undergrad and my postgrad to actual physical works of art, and I've had the opportunity to create exhibitions, work with the collection, and that's given me a real interest into sort of collections management as well as curating, as well as working with students and getting people engaged with art and into galleries and exhibitions. So we organise various talks and events and group crits as well, so if you're stuck with your work, there's always this community here that can sort of help you out. Robert Merrick, head of department, has just had an exhibition open in the RA, the Royal Academy in London, and he doesn't really get much bigger than that. So it's nice to know that these people not only can talk the talk, but they walk the walk. The contact hours you get when you're studying here are fantastic. I was very lucky in that at the moment we offer what's called a technicianship. So they take on one student a year, either from the department or outside applications, study a master's part-time, and they fund that, and while you're doing that you also work as a technician within the department 18 hours a week. The job has been really rewarding. It's given me that vocational practice that I think is so important if you want to go in and work in the arts, but also it's allowed me to explore things through my practice that I maybe wouldn't have been able to. We've got 4 print rooms with facilities for relief, intaglio, lithography and screen printing, as well as traditional dark rooms, which are quite unusual. We've got large communal dark rooms as well as individual ones, alongside fantastic live studio facilities upstairs where there are also studios for the undergrads to use as well. Old College, where we have painting studios for undergrads. As a postgraduate, you'll be given your own studio, which you have 24-hour access to, which is really sweet, because you can come in the dead of night and just spread out and take up as much room as you want and work. You know, if you're a night bird and you want to work from 8 o'clock in the evening till 8 o'clock in the morning, you can do that. In my first year, I was in halls up on campus, which were great. I think they're a perfect sort of stepping stone into your independence. So whereas you've got your own space, you've got your own room, all your bills are included. There's people there if you need a light bulb changing or you get locked out your room at 4 in the morning. We've got the art centre, we've got our galleries here. The museum in town is just a fantastic space. And also there's sort of a lot of student-led things, so performance students will put on evenings and productions, and I think that is sort of one of the things that really impressed me about Aberystwyth. I'd say if you get the opportunity, come here, see it.